Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special story for you, a heartwarming tale about a young girl named Mia and her journey of discovering the power of kindness. This story is not only perfect for practicing your English fluency but also a beautiful reminder of how small acts of kindness can make a big difference in the world. Whether you are learning English or just love a good story, this one is for you. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into Mia's kindness adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories and English learning tips. Let's get started. Kindness adventure. Mia was a cheerful 10-year-old girl who lived in a small sunny town near the mountains. She loved spending her afternoons exploring the woods, climbing trees and collecting colorful leaves. But one day something unusual happened that changed her perspective on life. While walking home from school, Mia noticed an elderly man struggling to carry a heavy bag of groceries. His hands were shaking and he looked exhausted. Without thinking twice, Mia ran up to him and said, "Excuse me, sir, can I help you with that?" The man smiled warmly and replied, "That's very kind of you, young lady. Thank you." Together they carried the bag to his house, which was just a few blocks away. Along the way, the man told Mia stories about his childhood and how he used to explore the same woods she loved. Mia was fascinated and realized that helping someone could be an adventure in itself. The next day, Mia decided to look for more ways to help others. She started small, holding the door open for her classmates, helping her mom with chores, and even picking up litter in the park. Each act of kindness made her feel happy and proud. One afternoon, Mia noticed her neighbor, Mrs. Thompson, looking sad in her garden. Mrs. Thompson's husband had recently passed away, and she often felt lonely. Mia sat down beside her and said, "Mrs. Thompson, would you like some company? I can help you with the gardening if you like." Tears filled Mrs. Thompson's eyes and she hugged Mia. "You are such a sweet girl," she said. "I would love your help." They spent the next hour planting flowers and talking about happy memories. By the end of the day, Mrs. Thompson's smile had returned, and Mia felt a deep sense of fulfillment. Word of Mia's kindness spread quickly through the town. Soon other children started joining her in small acts of kindness. They helped carry groceries, visited elderly neighbors, and even organized a community clean-up day. The town became a brighter, happier place, all because of Mia's decision to help one person. Mia learned that kindness was like a seed. When you plant it, it grows and spreads, touching the lives of many. She realized that even small actions could make a big difference. From that day on, Mia made it her mission to spread kindness wherever she went. And so, Mia's small act of kindness grew into something much bigger, touching the hearts of everyone in her town. She learned that even the simplest gestures, like helping someone carry groceries or spending time with a lonely neighbor, could create ripples of happiness and change. Kindness, as Mia's discovered, is like a seed. When you plant it, it grows, spread, and bloom in ways you might never accept. So let's take a lesson from Mia's and look for ways to spread kindness in our lives. After all, the world can always use a little more love and care. Thank you so much for watching Mia's kindness adventure. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming tales and English learning content. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell us about a time when someone's kindness made a difference in your life. Until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and keep practicing your English. Bye for now.